Hello, viewers. Welcome back to our journey of exploration and growth. Today, we're tackling Law 11 from Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power. Learn to keep people dependent on you. But remember, we're focusing on ethical, responsible interpretation. Let's explore how we can apply this law positively and constructively. Rather than exploiting others, focus on creating genuine value. By becoming a source of support, knowledge, or assistance, we can foster relationships grounded in mutual respect and trust. Let's discuss ways to contribute positively to the lives of those around us. Healthy relationships thrive on interdependence. It's all about building connections where each party contributes to the other's growth, enhancing their well-being. It's not a one-sided affair, but a shared journey. This approach fosters a positive and mutually beneficial dynamic. Leadership can be a powerful force for good. By demonstrating integrity, empathy, and a clear vision, we can inspire loyalty. This leads to an environment where people willingly align with our goals and visions. Next, we'll discuss the qualities of ethical leadership. Paradoxically, the strength of your influence can often be measured by how independent others become in your presence. True power lies in nurturing self-sufficiency and sparking that drive for personal growth in others. We'll explore the idea of fostering independence and empowering those around you to reach their full potential. I'm eager to hear your thoughts. How do you interpret and apply Law 11 in your life? What strategies do you use to build mutual respect and trust? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below, and let's have a constructive conversation about ethical power dynamics. And there you have it, an exploration of Law 11 from a positive and ethical perspective. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Remember, true power lies in meaningful, ethical connections. Until next time, let's continue on this journey of growth together.